Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm getting ready for my office, and I thought that why not come here and show you how should I get ready, how do I get ready for my office. ये मैंने आज एक बड़ा ही सुंदर सा कॉर्ड सेट पहना है एंड बहुत ही बेसिक और मिनिमल मेकअप करते हैं और फटाफट से ऑफिस के लिए तैयार होते हैं. सो फॉर द बेस राइट नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस Maybelline Superstay का ल्यूमी मैट फाउंडेशन एंड बहुत ही लिक्विड है, सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न आई यूज़ इट फॉर माई ऑफिस वेयर बिकॉज इट गिव्स a very sheer coverage along with it is extremely light on your skin and gives you a very dewy finish. So ये मैंने लगा लिया है पूरा का पूरा बेस और ब्लेंड करती हूँ. फॉर ब्लेंडिंग आई एम यूजिंग दिस प्रॉश का ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर एंड मैं ये आपके सामने खोल रही हूँ बिकॉज आई जस्ट गॉट इट एंड आई लव इट सो मच. दिस इज़ द ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. You can see इसका size क्या है. Let me show you. And now you will see what is the size. One side, like, make it wet. This is this half of my palm and just give me some time. So here I am. मैंने इसको अच्छे से wetly damp कर लिया है and can you see the size now? And अगर आप इसको squeeze in करोगे पूरा अच्छे से squeeze in हो जाता है. There is no product wastage at all. And also it gives a very nice finish and it blends like a magic. Whatever foundation or a blush, whatever concealers you want to blend in, it's gonna give a very nice coverage. So in no time my base is done. As I told you, बहुत ही light और minimum सा मुझे base चाहिए था and I got it. So next, this is a Mars lip color changing balm. This is a lip balm but it's color changing, so rather than using it a lip balm I am using it as a blush because इसका tint बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा है and also it gives a very nice blending into your skin. So and the fragrance is very fruitlicious, so I am using it as a lip and cheek tint because of such a nice tint and of course the fragrance. फटाफट से बस आईब्रोज कर लेते हैं क्योंकि एक एंगुलर ब्रश लाइक दिस, इससे आप अपना एक आईब्रो कर लो टू फिल इन योर आईब्रोज. एक किसी भी डार्क ब्राउन शेड में मैंने यूज़ किया है ये लॉरियल का एक पैलेट, मैक्सिमलिस्ट नाम है इसका एंड इट इज़ वेरी गॉर्जियस. फॉर द लिप्स आई एम टेकिंग दिस स्विस ब्यूटी का लिप लाइनर एंड just lining my lips very roughly as I don't have any time. Since I'm wearing a pink red tone, so I think this lipstick is in the shade Roses for You, shade number 26 by Faces Canada, and this is gonna go like a magic. It is just one swipe application as you just saw, and the color is so beautiful. The payoff is so great. It is highly pigmented, very reasonable also, and the stay, I can vouch for the stay. I have used this multiple times and I absolutely love this lipstick. And क्योंकि it is a matte lipstick, so little dry out, so I'm just going to apply a little lip balm of this almost same color over it so that it makes my lips highly moisturized. No look is complete without a mascara, so I'm gonna use this mascara. This is by L'Oreal and this is a Volume Million Lashes Extra Black Mascara, and of course I love it. The best part about this mascara is that it is not waterproof. So guys, this is not a waterproof mascara and I really don't like waterproof mascaras because they are very difficult to remove, and then because I use it on a daily basis, I want something that I can take off quite easily. So I guess this really suits my bucket list and I love it. Can you see those lashes? My god. And let me tell you, I do not have a good lashes at all. But see, I guess for the earrings I can go with these pearl loops, because I guess this is what gonna go with them. So let me just quickly wear them. For the watch, I am gonna wear this my Raga watch by, it's a Titan watch, but I really like the fact that it comes in sort of a bracelet, so really don't need to accessorize it with something else. It also has a very beautiful rose gold accessories attached, so I really like it. Okay guys, so last but not the least is this rose glass skin mist by Swarovski. It hydrates, it glow prep set, and it also moisturizes your skin and also gives you a very nice finish, very dewy finish to your makeup. You can also use it as a toner and as a makeup setting spray as well. So let me just show you what it does. So can you just see? I don't need to say anything. You can see it yourself. That's what it does. Yeah, it provides hydration, it provides glow, and I also keep it in my bag all the time. So I always keep this really handy. This is a rose water, so it is a 3-in-1 thing. You can, I think that this should a must purchase it. I think also that this is a slightly above in the higher range, because it costs more than 1,000 rupees, yeah, for this much of bottle for 100 ml. But I think if you don't want to use it in regular use, but then you can use it whenever you are going out, for whenever you have applied makeup. So I think that way you really need this. I really like it. So guys, that is it for my today's video. As you can see, इस rose glass mist को लगाए हुए I guess 5 minutes हो चुके हैं, but you can see the glow is intact and I love it. So I'll see you all in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you all soon.